Hi. This is going to be a video covering two user stories. One of them is Snackability number 95, which is UI improvements in the snack detail page, and the other one is Snack 96, which involves condensing the list of snacks in the history page. Well, in the main page, which is this screen that we're seeing right here. Um, the reason why I'm doing this in one video is just because they're pretty similar in the sense that this is just UI improvements. So let me go ahead and get started. So for Snackability 96, which involves condensing the list of snacks, what we recently had before was that whenever a user would consume snacks and say they consume a month or weeks worth of snacks, the entire list would appear right here in this same screen. So what I went ahead and did is that I condensed this to only show the 10 recent snacks, and of course this could be changed to 5 or 6, or any number of snacks if this list still appears long. But for now, I have it as 10 snacks that will show up here, and then the user will click on the View All Snacks button to see the full list of all the snacks that they've consumed throughout the use of the application. So when I go right here and click View All Snacks, you can see all of the snacks that have been consumed. In this case, you'll see the total number, which is 14, and the entire list is right here. I've also made sure that it maintains the same functionality as the snacks listed in the recent history, where you can normally, you can normally go to the snack or delete it. So I maintain that same functionality here. So as you can see, well, since I deleted that one, you already see 13 here. But if I go ahead and delete one right here, you see the list gets condensed as well, and you could still go to other snacks and reconsume them should you need to. So that's the first user story. The second user story involves some just some UI enhancements to the snack detail page. So when I go ahead and click on a snack, as you can see, a lot of the coloring, I think it was still left for green, so I went ahead and I changed it to the proper blue color just to follow the theme of the application. And then when we let's say we consume a snack, calculate a snack, I also made a change to the coloring of the table, and also to the font sizes as well. This blue is just for testing purposes. Of course, I intend on changing it. It's not one that I currently like too much. But I just wanted to go ahead and try different colors and just to see, just to make sure that it's just not, a plain boring white. So I went ahead and changed it to a blue color, a blue on light blue color. So also one of the main changes too is that when a use before, the consume button would be right there. So say if a user had a score breakdown, let me see if I could go ahead and I think it would be the same thing. Whenever they had a score breakdown, they would only see a part of the score, and they had the consume button right there. I went ahead and I put the button all the way to the bottom so that the user should at least see the table one time until they go ahead and consume the snack, so that they can see their full score and see what points they received and what points they didn't. Another major change that I did was that before, whenever you would consume the button, whenever you hit the consume button, you would have a this pop up screen that would show you, that would confirm that you consumed the snack. But it was very buggy, so it was like it was just very buggy. It was like the card was collapsed completely, and then the text and the icon were overlapping from the card itself. I went ahead and I fixed it so that it appears to the center of the screen, and it actually, it actually looks like an actual alert message showing that the snack is consumed. So I went ahead and made sure that it works for iOS devices, since that was another issue that um in for iOS devices, it wasn't even showing a snack consumed message at all. It was just showing a plain white card, and that was pretty much it. You really had no idea whether or not the snack was consumed. So as you can see, I'll do it a couple more times. You can see that you just have the icon and a little message right below saying that the snack is consumed, and you have this alert screen that's overlapping the application when you hit the consume button. So those are the changes that I went ahead and did for this sprint for this Snackability 95 and Snackability number 96, which involves the condensing of the list and the UI improvements to the snack detail page.